Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn on Stage Manager on your MacBook. It's pretty simple to do and maybe it's a really useful tool. So all you have to do is go to System Settings or System Preferences. And when you open it up, you're just gonna click, scroll down and you're gonna see Desktop and Dock right here. After that, there's all of these features, but what you need is to scroll down, and as you can see here is Stage Manager. And Stage Manager arranges your recent windows into a single strip for reduced clutter and quick access. So you're just gonna click on click that tab, then turn on Stage Manager, and you can also customize it. So it's recent application, desktop items, show windows from application all at once, and you're gonna basically customize it however you like. Yeah guys, that's basically it, how you turn on your Stage Manager. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.